In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Gmail account to a computer. This is a simple process and won't take more than a few minutes of your time. But whether you're setting up a new account for work or personal use, these steps will ensure that you have all your Gmail accounts easily accessible on your device. To kick things off, start by opening your web browser and heading over to the Gmail website. Once you're on this familiar page, take a look at the upper right corner of your screen and you'll notice a circular profile icon. If this is a new setup on your computer, it might simply be a generic avatar, but if you've previously logged in, it could be an image that you've set as your profile picture. Go ahead and click on this icon. This action will bring up a drop-down menu displaying your current accounts along with various options associated with them. Among these options, you'll find the Add Account button. Click on it, and this will direct you to a new page where you can sign in with an additional Gmail account. Here's a quick tip. If you're managing multiple accounts, each with a specific focus, it's a good idea to use distinct profile images for easy identification. After clicking Add Account, you'll be taken to the Sign In page. Now, this is where you enter the credentials for your new account. Type in the email address you wish to add. Double check the email before moving on just to ensure there are no typos. Click Next and you'll be prompted to enter the password for this specific Google account. Make sure your password is correct. If you've forgotten it, there's an option to recover or reset your password, which will guide you through Google's verification process. Once your password is correctly inputted, you'll be logged into this new account immediately, and voila, your Gmail account is now added to your computer. A small but important tip here is to review your security settings once you're logged in, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. Every account should have updated recovery information and two-factor authentication enabled for added security. And there you have it, adding a Gmail account to your computer is as straightforward as that. Taking these steps ensures that you can efficiently toggle between accounts, increasing your productivity whether at home or on the go. Don't forget to periodically check your account settings and ensure all your associated information is current, which can save you troubleshooting time in the future. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Happy emailing,